So what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to flash custom boot animation into your Android device. For this process you need a rooted device. So I'm using Redmi 9 Power, and let me just show you the status of this device. So you can also check the same for your device too. You just need to go to settings, choose additional settings. So into the additional settings, choose developer option. So in the developer option you just need to go to my unlock status. So it's going to tell you whether your device is unlocked or not. So my device is unlocked, so it's going to show you the device is unlocked. So for this process you specifically need the rooted device because we are going to modify the system files. So to modify the system files you need to unlock your device. So that's a separate topic for another day. We're going to cover this too. So for today's video I'm going to show you how to flash custom boot animation. So the very first step is to download the zip file which we're going to flash into the bootloader. So to download the zip files we're going to go to Telegram, and I'm going to tell you some channels, so you can refer these channels for downloading your zip file. So this is the first channel, Magic Boot. It is not sponsored by the way. So they have really cool boot animations. So the second channel is Cool Boot Animations. So you can download the zip files from these channels. So once we have the zip file, so we're going to flash that zip file using the Magisk module. Let me just enter the password here. So this is the Magisk. So we're going to flash the zip file using the Magisk module. So just you need to go to the module section. So into the module section you need to select install from storage. So let me just select the files here. So the file is going to be here. So I'm going to flash this anonymous zip file. So just select this zip file and press OK. So it started to flash the zip file into the custom ROM of your Android bootloader. So everything is set up. Just we need to press reboot. So after rebooting this device, my custom ROM animation will going to be changed. It's going to take a little bit longer here. So as you can see here guys, my device boot animation has changed, and so you can do the same process by yourself too by following these three very simple steps. So if you have any doubts about this video, or if you need if you can give me any suggestion about this video, that will be great. And thanks for watching. I'll see you around. I think this animation looks so good here.